Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whenever you are. This is another part of the Become the C Trader Master webinar series. Today, we are going to talk about mastering the C Trader. This is the lesson for the beginners. Next week will be advanced charting techniques, which is slightly more informative and slightly more advanced webinar for the traders. And in 2 weeks, we are going to talk about the cTrader Automate and the C boards and custom indicators. So it will be even further step higher in our ladder of mastering the C trader. Today, however, we are going to talk about the regular beginner entry C trader trading. So what are we going to do first is I'm going to switch to the full screen mode and we'll show you guys what is the C trader all about and how to get the most of it, even 100% of it. So basically, the first thing you need to know is that there are different versions of the cTrader. I'm using the cTrader web version, which means that you log in using the regular web browser. I'm using Chrome, so you go to the ctrader .com and then you log in. Where do you log in? You log into in your upper right corner. There's a login button. You click on the login button, and then you provide login password, and you are able to log in. When you log in, this is what you see. When you log into your account in your broker TopFX, this is what you see. As you can see, I'm looking on the Bitcoin chart. Let me just zoom out. There you go. I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart, and this time it's a random chart. I just pick it up. What I'm going to show you is how basically to go about the cTrader, how to move around, how to click it over, how to get the most of it during this webinar. So first thing you want to do is to switch the other panels that you can't see right now. We got one big area, which is the chart area here. We are looking at the Bitcoin CFD. As you can see here, we got the quick trade panel on our chart. What's the quick trade panel? As you might um, uh, thought, this is the panel for the scalpers, for the short-term traders, which allows you to trade very quickly. If, for example, I want to buy something, okay, I don't have okay, insufficient funds. Not this demo account. Let me just switch to, oh, maybe I want to buy too much. Basically, let me just buy lower or something like this. Okay, so if you want to buy something, you just click and then your order is on. Right. So if you want to sell something, you just click and your order is on. If you want to change the trade volume, as you can see, I've did it very quickly. I switch it to the micro lot, which is not a problem, and right now I'm trading the micro lot on the Bitcoin CDF. Something happens, okay, protection, fine. This is absolutely not a problem. This is for the educational purposes only. I will risk and buy it one more, but I'm going to move my, let's say, stops here. And let's say just for the educational purposes only, I'm going to move it here and I take profit here. As you can see, you can do it swiftly without any problems. So you not only input your take profit and stop loss levels to protect your trade by messing around with your modifying your order, your current order. You can do it straight on from chart, just as I did it like a second before, right? So you just need to hold the correct line, correct level, and move it around up. So move it lower, move it higher. It doesn't matter actually what you want to do, but you got the confirmation straight on with your let's say with your actions, right? So right now this is my setup. Let me just move it a little bit lower, so I can move my stop loss, I can move my take profit straight on from the chart. So chart trading is enabled. Those are very specific icons that might even make your trading much more efficient and much more quicker. So what you can do is to, of course, close the trade. This is the X. Double arrow, it means you can double your trade. So I will double my trade and I get zero point 0.2. I got now 0.2, let's say, position, 2 micro lots. Now I can, if I click on the turnaround arrow, I can immediately close the current open order and immediately open the order which is the opposite of the current one. So if I'm long right now, if I'm buying, I can order the sell order. I open the sell order, and this is the advanced protection, advanced take profit, advanced stop loss. We are going to talk about this while we'll be using the next week, while we'll be using the advanced charting techniques. And of course, you can share this thread with all of the people who are interested of what you are doing here on the cTrader. So that's basically the menu, quick trade menu, together with the opportunity for you to modify your trade if you want. Let's double our trade again. So right now my trade is 0.4. Let's move it around, and my trade is 0.8, and now it's 0.1, exactly 0.1, so one mini lot. So you might wonder, where can I see my orders? Very, very easy. You go here and you got this menu saying trade watch. Shortcut is here, or you can call it hotkey. If you click on this, your order is here on the bottom. So you can see you are trading 1.016 lots on the right now on the Bitcoin. Stop loss is here, and the take profit is here. So don't worry about your trade. If you can find it, you can close it again. Clicking here, you can close it, or any other transaction you have opened in profit, open in loss here by clicking on this button, close everything, right? You can of course open new order. You can click here and open new order. Let's say I got 0.16. I want to open 0. Let's say 24 lot, and as you can see, I can do it. The margin is 2000, and I got not enough margin. Let's say 0.14. Is that enough? It should be good. Okay, it should be all right. And right now, I can, of course, place market range. It means that my order will be triggered within 10 pips up and down. All right. So as you can see, this is the maximum deviation from the price you see in the platform at which your order can be filled. A deviation of 0 will attempt to fill your order as the limit order, of course, right? And then you can apply your stop loss, you can apply your take profit, as you can see. So let's say I want -1 maximum, let's say, and I want at least 3% of the profit. So this is my situation here, and let's say I want to place my order. Of course, you can adjust your stop loss by the numbers of the pips, by the some kind of estimated price, balance, percentage of your balance, or estimated profit, right? So I'm placing my order, as you can see, and now I got the confirmation. I can modify this order. I got the confirmation, and right now my order is 0.14 lots, and as you can see, we are trading to the upside. Both are in profit right now. It's for the educational purposes only, just to show you guys how can you play around with the advantages of the cTrader. So as you can see, it's very, very swift, very, very, let's say, it's immediate. Any action you do on the cTrader is immediate. You don't have to go anywhere else in order to adjust take profit, stop loss. You don't have to go anywhere else. I mean, you don't have to leave your chart. You are in the front of the chart. You can trade it straight on, right on your chart. No need to play with this orders somewhere else, for example. Okay, so that's the chart. We know how to switch the market watch. You can take a look at your orders, which are limit orders. You can see your trading history. You can see your price alerts, and you can see your transactions. As you can see, I got deposit of 5,000 euros. So Right now, what's going on? I got 2 open orders. I can place advanced protection settings, which means a partial take profit, partial stop loss, but we are going to do it next time. What else we can do here? Not too much. I think all of the features has been explained here already, so there is no need uh, to to be speaking about them anymore. What else do we have here? Let's start with the upper left corner. We got the new order. We know that. We got the current cTrader workspace. As you can see, you can save the current workspace and switch it back on for later. You got, of course, the trade watch activation button and active symbol panel button activation. So as you can see, I got my additional news here, additional features, maybe not news, but the features of the cTrader available here. So what else do we have? Let me just make this menu a little bit smaller. Okay, it should be good. So that's the current situation. Next one, we can of course switch to the multi-chart mode. We can switch to the single chart mode or free chart mode. What does it mean? It means that if you switch to the free chart mode, for example, you can drag this chart to another screen. For example, if you have 4 screens or 6 screens or 8 screens, you can just drag this chart and get it on another screen straight on, which is very, very cool, cool feature. So, of course, you can add new chart, zoom in, zoom out. You can change this chart to bar. You can change it to line. You can change it to dots, area, whatever basically you want. I will stay with the candlesticks. Indicators, plenty of the indicators you can add on the cTrader. They can be added immediately. For example, I would like to add RSI, my favorite. Let's say indicator. So where I need to go, I think that the RSI is in the oscillators, and I will go here, relative strength index. There you go. I'm not playing with this indicator ultra. I can of course change the periods, change the source to close, to open, or high or low. I will stick it to the close. My line will be white because I want to see it clearly. Here you are. This is your indicator, RSI indicator. As you can see, it's above the level of 17. Right now it's 82 on the 1 hour time frame chart. So what else? Of course, plenty of other indicators, and you can even download some indicators and make them visible here if there are custom indicators on the library online, from the online library. Yes, you can hide your drownings. You can remove all of the indicators without any problems. You can hide all of the drownings. You can save this template. You can use default template. You can use the one of the free default ones, range, trend, or volatility. It's up to you. You can change your time frame. For example, I will switch to 1 minute, which is not a problem whatsoever. You can switch to 5 minutes, 15 minutes. All of these non-standard time frames are here as well. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. They're all here. But if you don't like candlesticks, you can use ticks. For example, we can do 10 ticks chart. You can do Renko, you can do range, you can do Heiken Ashi. I have described and explained everything you need to know about those charts in the separate videos. Please check out the playlist on the TopFX official YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm using the 10 ticks 10 ticks chart right now, and of course I can use any one of this. Cursor, side cross chair, you got synchronized cross chair, you got the market snapshot. You can do the market snapshot straight on. For example, what is the price, what's the time, and stuff like this. Of course, you got some lines for you to draw. You got the under speech work, you got Fibonacci levels, rectangles, ellipses, arrows, stars, up triangle, text. You can add some text on the chart. You can change the color of this text. You can do, of course, the snapshot of this chart. There you go. There you go. We've just done the snapshot, and as you can see, it's being instantly uploaded to the website. You can share it on X, on Facebook, and you got all of the links here. You can do it whatever you basically want with this, not a problem whatsoever. So as you can see, in that situation, this menu is very, very handy. That's everything you need for the trading is here. What's on the right? What's in the active symbol panel. So first off is the symbol you are trading right now. So in our situation, it's a Bitcoin. You can place the order, market order, buy, sell. You can place the limit order. You can place stop order. You can place stop limit order. Let's say I would like to buy. I would like to place a stop order. I don't think I have enough money, but if I have, then I would like to place one micro lot above the level of 40. Let's say 47,050. 56, a very, very nice order. So let's just do it. There you go. My order has been placed. So I got now buy stop order. If the price will hit this order, then of course we will be triggered and we will buy one micro lot. So as you can see, you can without any problems create any new orders. You can see the depth of the market for this particular market. If you know what is the depth of the market is, it's a ladder. You can switch it here as well. Depth of the market can be explained by as the standard depth of the market. You can have the price depth of the market here. Not quite sure if this will be fast enough to change. Okay, and then you got the volume weighted depth of the market for your disposal as well. If you know, of course, what's the depth of the market and how to use it. Now, what else do you have? You have the calendar. So we can take a look at the today's calendar to see what is actually relevant for for the market that you're trading. You got all of the information under the symbol info. So you can see what's your asset, what's the lot size, what's the minimum lot, what's the maximum trade quantity, what are the commissions per lot, what is the swap for long, swap for short, and all of the data you need for this market you have here. Inverted rate, very handy feature for the traders is here as well. And the market hours, this particular market is being traded on. As you can see, Bitcoin can be traded from 1 minute after midnight till 1 minute to midnight. So the maintenance pause is like a 2 minutes or less. For the Bitcoin, so it can be traded all the time basically. Trade statistics. So what is going on with your trades? How many pips you won? How many pips you lost? What's your net profit? What's your profit factor? And what's the max balance drawdown? All of this information, standard information for the every trading account is available here as well. So you don't have to go anywhere. You have to go to the client area. You don't have to take a look anywhere else. Everything is here, and at the end you got the leverage to the Bitcoin to US dollar CFD is 5-1. Okay, so this is the first menu. Of course, depth of the market is the another menu. Calendar menu again, because it's very popular, which is why it's here. So the calendar menu is here. If we switch to euro, for example, you can see chart switch to the euro as well. And now you can see the calendar for the euro dollar, which means that this calendar is relevant to the euro dollar. If you see the euro dollar on your chart, that means basically that you are trading the euro dollar and you want to see the forex market events that are let's say relevant for the euro dollar, not for the dollar to yen, for example, because you are looking at the euro dollar right now. So you can see the calendar for today, for tomorrow, for this week, for next week, and stuff like this. Even some kind of explanation is here if you don't know if the particular event is important for you or not. Now, auto chartist is some sort of the let's say signal sending feature. As you can see, we got plenty of different let's say signals or chart patterns, to be honest, presented on different time frames. Let's say 15 minutes time frame. There is some sort which is called triangle, and it was identified like not even 30 minutes ago. So you can see all of the statistics for this let's say chart pattern. the direction is down, which is why you got sell here, right? Because according to the auto chart, is this chart pattern is skewed to the downside. What it means, what this pattern means, this is the trend continuation pattern, so the prevailing trend is down. As well, quality is only 1 bar, initial trend is only 4 bars out of 10, so that's not that bad. Clarity is 0, breakout is not available, forecast price is not available as well. Nevertheless, you can trade this pattern straight on from this menu, or you can take a look at the rising wedge at 60 minutes chart. So if we switch to the, let me just switch to the 60-minute chart. Basically, if you want to take a look at this, you just click open chart. When you click open chart, you can go ahead and take a look at the particular chart you are interested in. So let me just close this window and close this one. So that's the, let me just close this one. There you go. And that's the 60-minute chart or 1 hour chart. And you can see we are, this pattern has been identified a few hours ago, rising wedge on the 1 hour chart. And this one is a buy pattern, right? So it's a content continuation on the daily, or sorry, on the 60-minute time frame chart. So if you click buy, you will open a position. Right now, this is the one lot, and it's not a problem to open the one lot position on the euro dollar according to this chart pattern. And this, of course, signals, this chart patterns are being sent to you automatically, and you can, of course, try to use the signals in your strategy. You can select some patterns, for example, around some key levels, or maybe around some Fibonacci patterns as well. If there are any, they will be displayed here, or you can just sorted by with no rank. So basically, you will see all of the patterns. And the news tab is here. You can see the general news or the crypto news, and plenty of this news, as you can see, can be displayed. Here. You can take a look at them to see what is going on the markets. So that's the menu. If you don't want to see it, you can of course close it. If you don't want to see the current situation with your account, you can close it. You can close the trading trade watch as well, and now you are left with nothing but the chart. Now, what else is very handy with the cTrader? Of course, if you prefer to copy some traders, some professional traders and non-professional traders, and any other traders who are actually making some profits, you can click on the second menu here, which is called copy trading. As you can see right now, you got plenty of the traders for your disposal. You can start copying any of this strategies here. Of course, you can become a signal provider as well if your strategy is good enough to qualify to become the signal provider. Then of course you can provide the signals for all any copiers that will follow you. cTrader Automate is another feature. You can click on the third menu. As you can see, this menu is not available in the cTrader web because it's an all-inclusive algorithmic trading solution, which is available for the desktop version only. So you need to download the desktop version of the cTrader, and then you'll be able to get inside the cTrader Automate, right? So as you can see, if you want to try it now, you need to download TopFX cTrader for Windows 7, 8, or 10 or 11, and you will be able to do it. Right now, we are using the web version. As I told you, we are using the web version, which is why the cTrader Automate is not here. Then you have the analyze. You got the analyze, let's say, panel, and this panel will tell you everything about your trading statistics, the markets you trade, about your trades, your profitability, the history of your trades, and all of the imaginable statistics you might have across the span of the weeks, months, days, and years. And then the last menu is the cTrader invite, where you can invite the other traders to join the TopFX and trade using the cTrader. All you have to do is to share your link. As you can see, my link is here. I can copy this link and paste it anywhere in order to generate the invitation. For example, like this. If you take a look here, you will be able to see the statistics of my account. This is my invitation link, and right now we are going to log into the cTrader because I'm already, of course, logged in. So the other workspace will be open, but in the other situation, if you just share it to some other people, those people will be able to create a new account on the cTrader, and then of course create a new account on the TopFX, and then of course they will be able to trade straight on from the level of the cTrader. They don't need to click on the link. All they have to do is, if they want to, of course, they can scan the QR code, and the result will be the same. Settings tab is here, so you can see all of this links and promotion settings and everything which is available for all of the IBs and affiliates. Very good tool, very great advantage of the cTrader over the rest of the trading tools, because you don't have to go to any third party website. You don't have to log into the, I don't know, client area or something like this, or client profile. Everything is here in the cTrader. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to leave your platform if you want your buddy to open the account in TopFX and use the cTrader. All you have to do is to show him this QR code or give him the link, and that's it. It's done, and he will be able to open the account. Now you got, of course, the partner center button, so you can become the IB for the TopFX straight on from the cTrader level. Then you can deposit, you can withdraw the money, and you can set the settings. There's plenty of settings to be set. You can set the email alerts. You can set the investor access. For example, if you want someone to take a look at your account, you just copy this link, you paste it here, and your trading statistics will be available for some kind of investor, some kind of a trading buddy, or anybody else you want to share your trading results with. And all of this, as you can see, all of this data are available for anyone who you share the link with. You got the general application settings, language, sounds, color, theme. You can change it to white, light, or the dark, of course. You can change the market watch settings. You can change the notification settings. You can change the quick trade settings, which means that you can, for example, set the order type settings. If you're using a market order, you can predefine that you want to have the every stop loss to be set on 5 pips and every take profit to take pips, for example. And you can do it for stop and limit order as well, which is very handy, because when you are trading, all you do using the quick trade is you buy or sell, and the stop loss and take profit are being sent to the server immediately with your trade. So you don't have to worry that you will forget to set the stop loss or take profit. And of course, the hotkeys list is listed here for your disposal. So very handy, very cool trading platform, very fast trading platform with plenty of the features. We just show you guys the entry level features, entry level, let's say, trading settings, setups for the cTrader. As you can see, there's plenty of you to play around, plenty for you to click over. So go ahead, give it a try, open the account in the TopFX, give it a try, click it over, see how cool the cTrader is, how is the potential of this platform. You cannot only trade but on your own. You can copy the other followers. You can become the signal provider. You can use the cbots. You can use the custom indicators. Everything is for your disposal in the cTrader, because it's the trading platform made by traders for traders. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for participating in this webinar. I hope I will see you guys next week when we are going to talk about some kind of other advanced trading techniques, advanced trading setups, and indicators. So if you want to join this webinar, please register now. And in a week time, we are going to have a second part of this Become the cTrader Master series about the cTrader platform. For today, thank you very much for being here with me. Have a nice evening. Take care and bye bye.